Hi guys, welcome to the Chef's Backyard. Today I want to show you how to make some yummy burritos. So we're making a burrito. I've got some stuff over here, and then we're covering it with enchilada sauce and cheese. Let me show you how easy that is. So what I've got here is I've got a tortilla, and it's nice and warm so that it folds real easy. And this is one of the large tortillas. It's a 10-inch and it's made for making burritos. Then we've got some rice, some beans, chicken, cheese, and enchilada sauce. Let me show you how quick and easy it is. Maybe you've been to one of those burrito places like Chipotle, or you know, there's a ton of them around here, but that's probably the biggest one that I know of. And you know, you paid $10 for something like that. Let me show you how easy it is to make it home. First, you've got your warm tortilla. Then we're going to do some rice. This is a kind of a Tex-Mex rice. There's a video on my channel that will show you how to make a beautiful rice like this. That's about 2 ounces, which is a 1/4 cup. I've got some beans. These are like a charro bean, pinto bean. Same thing, about 2 ounces. I've got some chicken fajitas here. And so we're going to use it right here in the burrito. I've got some cheese. And then what you want to do is you want to fold it up and in, kind of pinch it and fold it over itself. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take it to the next level. Like, this is ready to eat. You can eat that and enjoy it. But we want to toast it so that it'll hold that sauce. So I've got a pan here. We're going to press it down so that you get good contact with the plate. And this pan is pretty hot, so it's going to go fast. Oh yeah, we've already got some toasting going on there. If you have some guacamole or some sour cream, you can add that inside of there, or you can add it on top as well. You know, make it your own. This is just a suggestion using things that I had on hand. And then we'll stand it up on its side. Brown is where the flavor's at, guys. That's where you concentrate and enrich those flavors. It'll also help the tortilla to kind of stand up to the sauce so it doesn't get gummy on you. All right. So now we've got our burrito. I'm going to turn this pan off. We've got our enchilada sauce. We're just going to pour it over. Just pour it over, guys. Then top it with some cheese. You could dress that up with some cilantro, some chives, some salsa, picante sauce, little cholula, anything like that. But I've got this one made. Let's dig in and take a bite. Let's see how see what we've created.